Caroline, how do you smile? Caroline, can you show me how you smile? Can you smile? Smile real big. Yeah, that's so nice. How do you smile? How do you smile? Do you like blowing bubbles? How do you smile? Show me how you smile. How do you smile? Caroline, show me how you smile. No, you're not going to smile? You don't want to smile for Grandma? What about for Grandpa? Okay, can you say bye-bye, Caroline? Say bye-bye. Wave bye-bye.